Meet the brand new built-in CAM Wizard. Now you can set up toolpaths directly in the side panel while keeping full visibility of the graphics area. See exactly what you're creating in real time. For mill 2-axis, lathe, and wire EDM, toolpaths compute automatically as you build the feature. For everything else, just click the Compute Toolpath icon at the top and watch your toolpaths update instantly. Don't worry, the workflow you know is the same. Tabs, buttons, and navigation are all familiar, with a modern upgrade built right in. This is the biggest UI upgrade in version 38, giving you faster setup, instant feedback, and the freedom to make adjustments on the spot. Upgrade today and experience the new streamlined CAM Wizard in BobCAD version 38.